Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hello everyone. Today's recipe is rich and creamy Mughlai style Paneer Korma. If you are bored of making regular paneer dishes, then definitely you must try this recipe. This Paneer Korma is very rich and creamy and it's a yogurt based curry. It can be enjoyed with any dish like biryani, pulao and roti. So without any delay, let's get started. Take 250 grams paneer, cut into cubes and keep it aside. Next, take 7 cashews in a bowl, add some water and soak it for 10 minutes. Take 1 cup of water in a mixing bowl to soak paneer after frying. To this add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix it and keep it aside. Next, to make korma masala, we need fried onions. Thinly slice 2 medium size onions and keep it aside. Now heat the pan. Add oil to deep fry the onions. Heat oil on a medium high heat. Once oil is hot, add sliced onions to the oil. Make sure oil is very hot before you add the onions. Fry them till they turn to dark golden color. Once onions turns to dark golden color, drain the excess oil and transfer them to the paper towel. Now repeat the process with the remaining onions. Next, to fry paneer, heat the pan, add oil to shallow fry. Now add paneer cubes to the oil. Fry paneer on a medium heat until they turn to nice golden color. Keep flipping paneer pieces to fry evenly from all the sides. Once paneer turns to nice golden color, drain the excess oil and transfer fried paneer to the bowl filled with the water. Paneer turns hard after frying, so we soak paneer in water for some time to be soft and juicy. Soak it until we prepare korma. Now we'll prepare korma masala. Take a mixer jar, add fried onions, 1 green chilli, soaked cashews, 1 cup curd. Make sure curd to be lightly sweeter, not sour. Now blend this to a smooth paste. Now we'll make korma. Heat the pan. Add 1/4 cup ghee. You can also add oil, but ghee gives richness to the dish. Once ghee melts, add 3 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 mace, 3 cloves, 5 to 6 peppercorn, half teaspoon shazira. Saute on a medium heat for few seconds. Now reduce the flame to low. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw smell goes. Keep the flame low and add little water before adding the spices. To this add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt or add according to your taste, 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons coriander and cumin powder. Mix and saute on a low flame for a minute. Now add blended masala paste to this. Stir well and mix masala paste with the spices and cook on a low flame until oil separates. Keep stirring in between to prevent the masala from burning at the bottom. Once oil starts leaving from the sides, add half cup water and adjust the consistency of the gravy. Stir well. Now cover and cook on a low flame for 10 minutes until oil separates from the curry. After 10 minutes, take out the lid. Now you can see masala cooked and oil separated from the curry. Give a quick stir. You can add little water to adjust the gravy consistency. Now add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix with the curry. Now add soaked paneer cubes to the gravy. You can see paneer is very soft and juicy. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder, fried onions, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi. Mix well with the gravy and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame till paneer absorbs all the flavors. After 2 to 3 minutes, finally add some chopped almonds or cashews. 8 to 10 saffron stands soaked in 2 tablespoons water. Add 1 to 2 drops of kewra essence. Be careful while adding more makes curry bitter. Adding kewra essence gives a very traditional Mughlai taste to the curry. Stir well with the curry and cook for another minute. After a minute, finally add 3 teaspoons fresh cream and turn off the flame. Delicious, rich and creamy Mughlai style Paneer Korma is ready. Serve this dish with biryani, pulao or roti. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments if you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR Into Your Kitchen for more delicious recipes.